Ces images ont été créées par l'IA, n'est-ce pas? D'accord. Dans la vidéo d'aujourd'hui,
Did you feel familiar with the video I have just shown to you? Well, it was the latest video that I uploaded for the channel about creating images with Adobe Firefly. But it was in French. And I will tell you a fact, I don't even know a single French word. That voice was 100% dubbed by AI from English to French. You guess it right, in today's video I'm going to show you how to instantly change the language of a video from one into another language, which is perfect for foreign viewers who don't understand the language on the original video. Alright, let's get started. Today we are still working with Adobe Firefly like the previous video. Please access the website and sign up with your account to use the feature. Now, scroll down and click at the Translate Video option. It will lead you to a tab which lets you browse a video from your device. Read the instruction carefully, and you will see it requires videos that are shorter than 10 minutes attached with the supported types of files. Please make sure your video meets the requirements. Okay. I'ma choose the latest video of my channel. Click Agree, and that's it. You have just need to wait for the AI to analyze and transcript the voice to text for the translation after it. Take your time and do something else while the process is ongoing. I'ma speed it up for you. Okay, the process is done. On the left of the screen is the transcript from the audio. Let's review a few seconds of the video. Have you ever seen these kinds of creatures? You might know about one of them, and fully aware that these pictures were created by AI, right? As you can see, there are still some mistakes on the transcript. However, the AI doesn't allow you to fix them, sadly. But don't worry, the accuracy is still acceptable, and they are just minor falses. You might not need to worry about them.
Just for a single picture and want a quick result, this tool is for you. Let's just head to the video.
All right, the review is done. Now is the time to select the language you want to translate into. Click the box under the language detection box. Choose the language you want, and you can even check multiple boxes to let it translate into as much as the languages you want. But I'ma just come up with French only here. Unfortunately, that Adobe Firefly could only translate into 15 popular languages around the world, which is a significant demerit for some people. However, the value it brings with a freemium tool like this is still very acceptable. Just take your time and do other activities while waiting. Again. Done and done, here is the preview of the result.
avez-vous déjà vu ce genre de créature? Vous connaissez peut-être l'un d'entre eux, et vous savez parfaitement que ces images ont été créées par l'IA, n'est-ce pas? D'accord. Dans la vidéo d'aujourd'hui, je vais vous montrer comment créer ce type d'image à l'aide d'une fonctionnalité
I will show
d'IA
you a comparison of the
appelée
transcript in
Adobe
French into English, like on the video. Pretty accurate, right?
Firefly. Ensuite,
Lastly, you can download the video after translating by clicking the download button, and it will be transferred to your device.
les vidéos
Et des vecteurs dans la boîte. Mais ce n'est que pour la création instantanée. Pour plus de détails et d'ajustements, cliquez dans le bas.
All right. This will be the end of the video today. Please leave a like and subscribe for the latest information, which also motivates me a lot while making new one. See you in the next video.